Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get CapCut Pro PC version. So all you have to do now, you can open CapCut on your browser and you can access CapCut.com official website on CapCut. So here you can try to download and install for your Windows 11 operating system. This is free. You can just click download and let the app install on your Windows. After you install, please make sure you create your account. If you have TikTok account, you can try to synchronize, and here this is the free edition. In order to get Pro, you can try to click on join Pro. You have to pay some package here, or you can get Pro version of CapCut for free. If you click this is the rules. You can invite your friends in order to get free Pro. For each friend that install and launch CapCut from your invite link, you will both get a 7-day free Pro. You can enjoy Pro benefit on both CapCut mobile and PC version. And also you can get up to 70 days of free Pro by inviting 10 friends. No credit card required, no auto renewal. So you can copy the link and share it into your social media. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, the next button below. See you in the next video.